Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're unbagging the Chief from Recycled Firefighter. This is an everyday carry backpack, 100% made in the USA. I definitely don't need another everyday carry backpack, if you can probably see from behind me here, but this one's kind of cool. We've got the invoice there. Nice little insert from Recycled Firefighter. And then we've got the backpack. I say it's kind of cool. It's really neat what they're doing with this. This part right here is made of recycled firefighter gear. So this is the first time I've been looking at it. I mean, it's used pieces of gear, so you can see, get down here as well. You can see that there's some scrapes on the reflective band. There's some looks like a little bit of dirt on here. But I bought this because my son is obsessed with firefighters. He loves firefighter stuff, firefighter gear. He's been a firefighter for Halloween twice in a row, and so I thought he might get a kick out of this. And I've heard great things about Recycled Firefighter, so I figured why not give it a shot. Just looking this thing over, it looks like a solid everyday carry backpack. Like I said, 100% made in the USA. It uses USA-made zippers as well, which is really cool. On the front, we've got a giant pocket that goes down to the bottom. Velcro area on top for your favorite patches. The looks of the top handle, it does not look too padded, so probably not for a Go-Ruck event, but shouldn't be bad for everyday carry. Shoulder straps, also not too much padding on them, but probably enough if you're just carrying books, carrying a laptop. You know, if you're using this for school, using this for work. I mean, it's a cool bag, but probably not the most professional for work if you work in a professional environment, because who knows what you're going to get on the front. It could be dirty, it might not be dirty, you know, who knows. So might not be the best for a professional environment. Clamshell opening. One of my favorite things about these kind of backpacks. Here we've got the Recycled Firefighter logo on the inside. And we've got, it looks like 2 pockets here. They're both vertical zippers, which is kind of nice. You can get in easily from the side. You can also, you know, get in easily if it's just standing up. Neither of them are mesh. They're both solid 1000D Cordura, so you can't see what's going on inside of them. Good or bad, just depends on preference. And then flipping this over, we've got this buckle snap right here, so you can get in, probably store a laptop or something. There's no hydration hole, but again, it's an everyday carry backpack. Really excited to use this, really excited to see what's going on with it. It has a ton of great reviews, and I just can't wait to see how it performs, and honestly, if my son likes it or not. He's only 5, so hopefully he does. If you got any questions about this bag, please leave a comment. I can do my best to answer it, and hopefully you enjoyed this unbagging video. Recycled Firefighter makes a ton of awesome gear. Check the link in the description for a link to this backpack, and I will definitely be doing either a preview and or review video for this. As always, thank you so much for all the support. Give this a thumbs up if you found this useful. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. A lot of gear, a lot of rucking content, all in the works, and a lot of videos already there. As always, don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive, and drink hard, ruck harder.